Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to eject a disc on your PlayStation 5 if the physical button is broken. So you can see I have a copy of Battlefield 4 right here, and there's a little spinning disc next to it. So what I want to do is go over the application, press options on it, and it will give you an option to eject the disc right here. Now, if you're someone who accidentally went to delete and this no longer is an option because you deleted the application, thus you can't get to eject disc right here, just press the PlayStation button, go on over to power, and then go to restart, and it will reread the disc when you start up your PlayStation 5 again. So you can still go to eject next time when it reads the disc, and then we can go to eject right here, and it'll pop it out of the front of the PlayStation 5. No problem, so don't worry. And you can see my disc is out, it's no longer spinning, and it's just a white little round symbol next to Battlefield 4. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.